So today I will show you one of the tricks that you may not even know existed in your Samsung Galaxy phone. We're talking about this one trick, very important, related to your Wi-Fi situations, your Wi-Fi speed, your Wi-Fi signal. How does it work? Why is it a weak signal in this spot, but why is it good signal on the other spot? You can check everything just using your Samsung Galaxy phone. And I'm going to show you everything. Make sure you watch all the way to the end to see if you actually know these tricks. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to show you something really cool. Just using one Galaxy phone, and that's it. Very simple. So first of all, we are going to go into the Wi-Fi. If you do not know how to go to Wi-Fi, you just go scroll down and you just hold the button. You will see this image right here. And now we're going to go at the bottom here. We're going to go to details. And you're going to see the screen right here. So this screen right here, I'm pretty sure you guys should know this is just a regular Wi-Fi. Nothing special. Everybody should see this every single day. You go on Wi-Fi, you search it. Now, we're going to go to the top button right there, and you see intelligent Wi-Fi. We're going to go in here. And this intelligent Wi-Fi, there is one feature inside you may not even seen before. It's at the bottom here. Intelligent Wi-Fi and labs. If you do not have lab, then you might want to turn it on by keep tapping on intelligent Wi-Fi until it said it turns on. Now when you see this, you want to go in there and take a look at this situation. So in here, I did this before on my other channel. Everybody said that why should we go into here when we can see Wi-Fi 6 appear on the top, and that's it. However, not everybody is using Wi-Fi 6. And the purpose of going into this lab is not just looking for are you in Wi-Fi 6 or are you in Wi-Fi something. We are going into here just to take a look at the bottom here, which band you're using. You can see the Wi-Fi, and you can see is your Wi-Fi. We're talking about the public Wi-Fi. Is this secure? Because in here it shows that it's unsecure. And then right at the bottom here, we're going to check how's your Wi-Fi within your house. So you can turn this on and walk around your place and see which one is a dead spot with not a lot of signal and which part of your house has a lot of signals. So first of all, we're going to go dive into this band. You want to see, are you using 5 gigahertz band or using 2.4? At the bottom here, obviously it say Wi-Fi 6, but a lot of people, I'm talking a lot of people that not using Wi-Fi 6, they're probably using Wi-Fi 5 or even Wi-Fi 4, okay? Now we're gonna go to a secure Wi-Fi, unsecure Wi-Fi. If you tap on this is basically telling you that which Wi-Fi in the public is unsecure. And that means if you actually encounter these, you might not want to go on your banks, go somewhere that is important, do something very important. You can see this is like normal Wi-Fi in Asia and all unsecure. And I do not want to do my banking using these Wi-Fi because it's very unsafe. And you can see unsecure and it shows your Wi-Fi. So make sure you take a look, is your Wi-Fi, is it safe or not safe? And now the last part is we're going to go to home inspection. We're going to go to home inspection, press start, and then select your Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi right there. You can see the number. If it's like negative 35, 49, it's still pretty good. If I'm like sitting right there, it could be like negative 19, and those are really good number. Negative 19 to negative 55, 60 is still good. But it's 70, 80, or 90, those are not good. You can see if I select some of the Wi-Fi, it's like negative 38, which is not good. You don't want to be that. So now let's just say we're going to go check out this Wi-Fi. We're going to press next at the bottom and then press next, start. And now you can see this graph. And the graph shows that because I'm a little bit away from my Wi-Fi, then it's like at the bottom right here. Okay? And then you can see the number right here. And you can see if it's negative 70, you can see it's a bad signal. So you can see what is happening. Different color, different band, and see if it really, check out your situation on your Wi-Fi. Because I'm a little bit away from my Wi-Fi right now, so it's like -48. But if I'm sitting all the way down there, it's almost like negative like 18 to 20 to 23. And this is it. This is one of the features I would like to show you guys. Turn these on and check out your Wi-Fi and see what's going on. If something happened to your Wi-Fi or is not giving you the great signal, you might want to contact your carriers, or maybe something wrong with your phone, or maybe the computer is not reading that well. So you want to check these things, okay? And then when you're done, you just press done, okay? Press done, and then they ask you, and then you say exit, and then that's it, okay? So please subscribe my channel and share this video. This is very important to know your own Wi-Fi, and that's it. And you can see your usage as well. If you press like usage, right? You can check out your usage as well, but these are not important. The most important thing is actually your Wi-Fi speed, your signal, where is the best signal, everything, okay? And I will see you next time. Bye-bye, peace out.